Muriéndose el güey. ¿Cómo se le dejó ir, ah? ¿Viste? Dárelo ahí, amor. No agarres el hilo, no agarres el hilo. La pura boca. A ver. Bogart Little Pond. It's a little one.
Oh, it's coming out of the water.
The fuck was that?
Nobody could throw a rock that far.
Maybe the guys from up there. Diana!
Negra, come.
No, it's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna get them out already. No.
I got one. Here, buddy.
No, 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 no.
You got another one?
Right, we are at Bogart Park. Bogart Regional Park. Third fish of the day. We got here a little late.
Oh, is it not a fish? Uh-oh. No, not the one.
Baby!
Try twice.
You want him? Put it in? Bring him.
He choked it too.
Just straight up. More.
Right in front of me.
Yeah, you just jig it. Just jig it. Just jig it with it.
He choked the whole thing.
Ready?
He choked the whole thing. Look, babe, he choked it all. Hold it. Wait. Hold it from where you need to, baby, right there. Don't do anything to it. Just bring it closer.
Yeah. Does that have a weight in it?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Okay, trade me. Can we just catch fish, please? Yeah. Line out there? Remember how you were doing it?
¿Qué te dije? Está mordiendo. Tráela, amor. Tráela, aquí te espero.
It's going to go that way. If you go that way, it's going to go that way.
Be careful, mijo. Be careful, baby.
It's not where I wanted it to be thrown. Yeah, 10 minutes to tie it through.
Hey, take that out. That's no good. I'm gonna give you something right now. Shrimp is for catfish.
Oh. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, that's why.
Aquí estamos, amigos. Hemos tenido algo de suerte. Acabamos de llegar como a las 3:30 y pues aquí vamos, uno más. Estamos de pesca aquí en BOGART Regional Park. Estamos divirtiéndonos, sacando las truchitas. Saludos, amigos, gracias por ver el canal. Suscribirse, dejen su comentario y activen la campanita. Seguimos. Off. Came off. I told you. Came off.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, feisty boy, fighting a lot. Caught him 3 times. He kept coming off because he's so small.
Oh, this is the same.
Oh, look at that big one.
Oh, shoot.
Look at that big one right there.
I know.
Huge.
Damn.
Huge one. You see him?
5 pounder, huh?
Yep. Thank you.
Already like.
Oh no, same thing. Yep. Increíble, mi amor, que no has tenido nada de suerte hoy, pero pues así pasa a veces. Míralo.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. I got another one. Came off. Oh wow. No, he's on. He's on. He got it again. Oh! He got it again. All right, man.
Where did you buy this kind of bait?
Hookah Baits. It's a company.
Oh, it's a
Search it up online. Hookahbaits.com. You're welcome. Solito, no lo había ni metido, se estaba hundiendo solito. I wasn't even jigging when it pulled by itself. Like jigging or anything, the bait is just sitting and they go for it.
I don't have a net.
Here, baby, get him out. Here's a little one. Here, baby. Oh, he's coming this way. Wait. He's coming this way. He's coming this way. Don't touch the string, okay, mi amor?
Can I get you now?
Oh, he came off.
Really?
Yeah, baby, he came off. It's all right.
I'm gonna dive back in there.
Here, hold this. Hold the rod for a little bit. Watch Rocky from putting the phone in the...
I had it on me. I just didn't want to drop it.
The jig is just sitting. I'm not even messing with it and they go for it. Battery about to die, babe. Oh, I have another battery right here, no? Look, I'm not even messing with it. I'm letting it sink. And they're gonna go for it. Ve, ponen un amarillo igual. Y ese sí que llega lejos, Dale. Antes de que... There you go, another one. Something keeps... It does feel like a big one too, though.
It's just stuck. I don't like when you guys do it. And it's like, it's gonna hit you, huh? Yeah. Well, there goes in my eyeball.
I think it's the first one I'm gonna have to lose. ¿Ya no hay más? No mames. Oh, I better get this one out then.
Go the other way.
You have your rod right there, no? Pilas aquí, espérate aquí. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Do you know if they're stocking again next week?
I have no idea. Here?
No, it's my first time here.
No, I don't think they're going to stock again trout. They're going to start going catfish season.
Oh, already? So this was the last of trout, right?
Yeah, they only did 2 stocks this year, and each one was 1,000 pounds.
Oh, really?
Don't they have to pay to get a stocking?
Yeah, they pay to stock the parks, but we all pay for it, like all the people that go to the parks, baby. Or something like that. Aunque lo llegues hasta allá, they'll take it, baby.
I forgot I had.
Got him too. Oh, he fucking came off. Here, about on my feet.
Mommy Rock, we're gonna go to the fishy. It's in your pie, mijo. Come on.
Look, he went for it.
Se le soltó a la muchacha.
¿Cuál? Nah.
Brincó uno ahí exactito así.
Nah. No. Oh, fuck, no. Bueno, amigos, como pueden ver, ha quedado solo el parque de Bogart. Son aproximadamente las 6:32 de la tarde. Es nuestro último tire. Nos fue bien, no nos podemos quejar. Aquí se puede ver cómo está el lugar ya un poco solo. Soy prácticamente el último. Y pues nada, la pasé bien. Solamente agradecerles por ver el video. Por favor, dejen su comentario, activen la campanita. y suscríbanse. No siendo más, nos vemos en una próxima aventura. Chao, pescado.